हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज की वीडियो में हम सॉल्व करेंगे फोर्थ सैंपल पेपर। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। x रेशो y हमें गिवन है और y रेशो z हमें गिवन है एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड x रेशो y रेशो z. y is common term between two ratios, so we have to get its corresponding numbers equal. In first ratio, corresponding number to y is 7 and in second ratio it is 8. So we are multiplying this by 8 and this by 7. Now corresponding numbers of y are equal, so x ratio y ratio z will be equal to 48 ratio 56 ratio 63. Option C is the right option. Express your answer in correct manner. First of all, question number, then part, then which option is correct option, and then write your answer. This is the proper way. m की वैल्यू हमें गिवन है, वैल्यू ऑफ n हमें गिवन है एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ mn. So put the values of m and n, then solve it. a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square and sec square minus tan square theta is 1, means the answer is 1. Two triangles are similar triangle and we have to find angle OAB, means this angle. This angle is 125 degree and this is the exterior angle of this triangle. This will be the equal of sum of 70 degree and this angle. So angle ODC will be equal to 125 minus 70, means 55 degree. Now these two triangles are similar triangles, it means their corresponding angle will be equal. Then angle OAB will be equal to its corresponding angle in triangle ODC. And this is its corresponding angle will be OAB, means first, last, then middle. So take first, last and then middle. Angle OCD. Now angle OCD is 55 degree. It means this angle is 55 degree. In this question, one end of the diameter is given and center of the circle is given. And we have to find the coordinate of other end of the diameter. Center is the midpoint of end points of diameter. O is the midpoint of OB. So apply midpoint formula for this. Let the coordinates of B are XY. Then we are applying midpoint formula. X1 plus X2 upon 2 is equal to X coordinate of midpoint. It means minus 2 plus X upon 2 will be equal to X coordinate of A. X is equal to 6. Similarly, Y coordinate 5 plus Y upon 2 will be equal to minus Y. In equation हमें given है and we have to solve this in equation for X. X is less than minus 1 by 2. अगर हम किसी नेगेटिव नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई या डिवाइड करते हैं तो इनइक्वालिटी का साइन रिवर्स हो जाता है. If a polynomial fx is divided by a linear divisor x minus a, then the remainder is, if x minus a is equal to 0, then we will get x is equal to a. It means if the function is fx, then fa will give us remainder by remainder theorem. Two matrices are said to be equal if both matrices are of same order. This is necessary condition. Their corresponding elements are same. This is also necessary condition. Both A and B. This is the right option. The first term of AP whose pth term is this. To find first term, just substitute P is equal to 1. Answer is 2. In less than or xi method, the graph is cumulated upward. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में फिगर हमें गिवन है, कुछ मेजरमेंट्स गिवन है. BD is 9 centimeter, DC is 7 centimeter and we have to find AB. Look at the figure. AB is a tangent and CD is a chord, and this tangent and chord are intersecting each other at point B. Then according to the theorem, AB square will be equal to product of segment of chord, but segment of chord are taken from point of intersection. First segment हम लेंगे point of intersection को जब हम first end point of chord से meet करवाएंगे, that is BD. और second segment भी B से ही measure होगा जब आप point B, point of intersection को second वाले end point से meet करवाएंगे, that is BC. Now put the given measurements. BD is 9 and BC will be equal to BD plus DC. AB will be equal to 12 centimeter. A rectangular pipe is folded in a shape of cylinder. Length and width is given of the paper, that is X and Y, then curved surface area of the cylinder. If a rectangular paper is folded into the shape of cylinder, then if we are folding by its length, then length X will be circumference and width Y will be height. If we are folding from width side, then circumference will be Y and height will be X. Now curved surface area will be equal to 2 pi RH, and 2 pi R is the circumference. So we are replacing 2 pi R by X and H is Y, then XY will be the curved surface area. अगर reverse case भी लेंगे तो भी answer same मिलेगा. In that case 2 pi R will be equal to Y and H will be equal to X, but the curved surface area will be same. Roots of this quadratic equation are this. Then the roots correct to two significant figures. Significant figures means अपना आंसर two significant figures में represent करना है. It means हमारे आंसर में two numeric values ही हो सकते हैं. तो अब देखिए first root is 1.390. अब इसमें हमें two numerics लेने हैं. It means 1 point and then 1 numeric. Due to this 9, this will become 4. Means first root is 1.4 in two significant figures. Next is 0.359. First numeric is 3 and second numeric will be 6 due to this 9. Means roots are 1.4 and 0.36. Slope हमें given है 1 point on the line हमें given है, and we have to find the equation of line. We are applying y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Equation of line is y is equal to 2x. And pair of dice is tossed. 6 appears in the first dice and probability of getting sum of the number 10 or more. If 6 is fixed on first dice, then second पर आपको मिल सकता है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 और 6. But our requirement is sum of the number is 10 or more. तो वो हमें मिलेगा अगर हमें second dice पर 4 मिल जाए, 5 मिल जाए या फिर 6 मिल जाए. Because if we get 1 on second dice, then the sum will be 7, 2, then the sum will be 8, and for 3 it will become 9. But our requirement is 10. Means these are our favorable cases. Then probability of these cases are number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases, and total number of possible cases are 6. So the probability of this case is 1 by 2. In this question, transaction is Jaipur to Jaipur, means it is intra-state transaction. And in intra-state transaction, no IGST will be applicable. So the answer is nil. Now come to the question number 2. It is also compulsory question. First part from banking. मंथली डिपॉजिट P हमें गिवन है ₹240, रेट हमें गिवन है 10% पर एनम, and maturity value is given ₹4,662, and we have to find time. Apply formula for maturity value, that is NP plus PN, n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Put the given values. Factors are n plus 259 and n minus 18. If this is 0, then n is equal to minus 259, which is not possible due to this negative sign. And if this is 0, then n is equal to 18. This is the answer. 18 means 1.5 years. इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने की ये शॉर्ट ट्रिक मैंने अलग वीडियो में शेयर की है, वाव वीडियो के नाम से आप प्लेलिस्ट में देख सकते हैं, और उस ट्रिक की हेल्प से आप किसी भी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को विद इन सेकेंड सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सेकेंड पार्ट, वी हैव टू फाइंड दिस मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी ए. Midpoint x will be 10, 30, 50, 70 and 90. Now fx. Now we are finding summation fx and summation f. Summation f is equal to 75 plus a, and summation fx is equal to 3150 plus 70a. Now apply formula for mean. Mean is given, that is 49. The value of A is 25. This is question from mensuration, and we have to find volume of remaining solid. If two conical cavities are hollowed out, then volume of remaining solid will be equal to volume of cylinder minus double of volume of one cone. Volume of cylinder will be pi r square h, and volume of cone will be 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Put the values. Volume of the remaining cylinder is 594 square centimeter. Question number 3. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम रिफ्लेक्शन. ग्राफ पर सॉल्व करने के लिए हमें नहीं कहा गया है, तो हम रफ इसको ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. This is point B 3,2 and this is point C 0,3. In first part, image B dash of B under the reflection in x axis. B को reflect करना है in x axis. Then its image will be B dash. And coordinate of B dash will be 3 minus 2. Image C dash of C under the reflection in the line B dash. C को रिफ्लेक्ट करना है इस लाइन के रिस्पेक्ट में, मीन्स C इस लाइन से जितने डिस्टेंस पर है बिहाइंड दिस लाइन, उतने ही डिस्टेंस पर आपको इसका इमेज C डैश मिलेगा. And this distance is 3 because the x coordinate of B is 3. Then after 3 unit distance, its image will be formed. तो ये जो distance होगा इस line से लेके C dash तक का, ये भी 3 होगा. It means x coordinate of C dash will be 6 and y coordinate is 3. means coordinates of C dash are 6, 3. कैलकुलेट द लेंथ B डैश C डैश. अब अगर हम ग्राफ पर इसको ड्रॉ कर रहे होते तो हम स्केल से मेजर कर सकते थे, बट ग्राफ हमने यूज नहीं किया है, सो वी आर अप्लाइंग डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड B डैश C डैश. This is first point x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Distance B dash C dash is under root 34 units. Fourth term of an AP is 22 and 15th term is 66. Find the first term and common difference. Fourth term A plus 3D and 15th term A plus 14D is equal to 66. Common difference D is 4. The first term is 10. Find the sum of the series to 8 terms. We have to find S8, that is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. (192). थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. इस क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा सा करेक्शन है, एक लाइन इसमें रह गई थी. क्वेश्चन पेपर में ये करेक्शन हमने कर दिया है, तो चलिए सॉल्व करते हैं. स्टेशंस ए और बी की डिस्टेंस हमें गिवन है. बाय रोड इट इज 240 किलोमीटर एंड बाय ट्रेन इट इज 300 किलोमीटर. कार स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम station A to station B and a train start from station B to station A, and the speed of train is 20 km per hour more than that of car. It means if we let speed of car is x km per hour, then speed of train will be x plus 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर. साथ ही कंडीशन गिवन है, कार स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम ए एंड रीच एट बी एंड ट्रेन स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम बी एंड रीच एट ए एंड द टाइम टेकन बाय ट्रेन is 1 hour less than the time taken by the car. For car, distance is 240 kilometer. Speed x, then time, suppose it is t1, it will be equal to distance upon speed, means 240 upon x. And for train, distance is 300 and speed is x plus 20, then time taken by train will be distance upon time, 300 upon x plus 20 hours. And according to the question, T1 minus T2 is equal to 1 hour because train takes 1 hour less than that of car. Put the values of T1 and T2 and solve this. X square plus 80x minus 4800 is equal to 0. Now factorize this. Required numbers are 120 and 40 and required factors are x plus 120 and x minus 40 is equal to 0. If this is 0, then x is equal to minus 120. Speed cannot be negative, so this answer is not possible. And if x minus 40 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 40, means speed of car is 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने की ये शॉर्ट ट्रिक आप प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर के वाव वीडियो के नाम से फोल्डर है, उसमें देख सकते हैं। उस ट्रिक की हेल्प से आप किसी भी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को विद इन सेकेंड सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। Section B, you have to attempt any 4 questions from this section out of 7 questions. मैं आपके साथ all questions का complete solution share कर रही हूँ। Question number 4, part 1, inequality का question है। We have to solve this inequality and graph the solution on number line. This is the combination of 2 inequalities. So we have to find common solution of these 2 inequalities to find the solution of given equation. In equation, solution of first inequality x is less than 5 and second inequality x is greater than equal to minus 9 by 4 or minus 2.2. On combining these 2 solutions, we get x is greater than equal to minus 9 by 4 and less than 5. And x belongs to W, means whole number. So whole numbers between this range, whole number starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 is not included. Now represent your solution on number line. Continuous graph आपको इस क्वेश्चन में नहीं मिलेगा because x belongs to W, not real number. This is the representation of solution set on number line. Next, two points A and B are given and a P is given which divides AB in the ratio 3:1. Coordinates of P are given and we have to find the values of A and B. We are applying section formula. Then x coordinate of P will be given by m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Similarly, apply formula for y coordinate of P. X coordinate of P is 9a minus 2. Put the values given. A is equal to 1. Y coordinate of P is minus b. B is equal to minus 3. In this question, AB is 10 centimeter. BC is 8 centimeter and AC is 6 centimeter and we have to find the radii of 3 circles. Suppose radii of first circle is R1, second is R2 and third is R3. Then AB is equal to R2 plus R3. Then R1 plus R2 is equal to 6. R2 plus R3 is 10 and R1 plus R3 is 8. Now solve these 3 equations. First of all, we are solving 1 and 3. R2 minus R3 is equal to minus 2. Now we are solving this equation with equation 2. R2 is equal to 4, means radius of second circle is 4 centimeter. Now from equation 1, R1 plus 4 is equal to 6. R1 is equal to 2 centimeter. Radius of first circle is 2. Now from equation 3, 1 means 2 plus R3 is equal to 8. Then R3 is equal to 6. Means radii of the given circles are 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 पार्ट 1 मैट्रिसेस का क्वेश्चन है. हमें कंडीशन गिवन है BA is equal to C square and with the help of this we have to find the values of P and Q. Second part, from trigonometrical identities we are considering left hand side. Theta 1 upon cos theta, 10 sin upon cos and cos upon sin. Now we are taking LCM in every bracket. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta and sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. This is equal to 1, which is right hand side. Third part, it is from mensuration. Conical tent is to accommodate 77 persons. Each person must have 60 cubic meter cube of air to breathe. And there are 77 persons in the tent. It means volume of tent will be 77 multiplied by this. Radius of the tent is 7 centimeter. Radius of the tent is 7 meter. We have to find the height of the tent and curved surface area of the tent. Now volume of the cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Put the given values. Volume is 1232. That is pi r l. So first we have to find L. L is equal to under root h square plus r square. (550 meters square). Question number 6 part 1. Remainder and factor theorem का question है. Two polynomials are given and the divisor is x minus 4. If x minus 4 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 4 and given same remainder in each case. It means f1 4. This will be the remainder when x minus 4 divides first polynomial is equal to f2 4. Remainder when x minus 4 divides second polynomial. A is equal to 1. सेकेंड पार्ट फिगर हमें गिवन है, कुछ मेजरमेंट्स गिवन है. AC 10 सेंटीमीटर, AP 15 and PM 12. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. If we consider triangle AMP and ABC, in ABC angle B is 90 degree and in AMP angle M is 90 degree and angle A is common between these two triangles. It means when two angles are equal, then the triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. In second part, find AB and BC. If these two triangles are similar triangles, then their sides will be proportional. Means simply AB upon AM is equal to BC upon PM is equal to AC upon AP. Now put the given measurements. AB हमें known नहीं है, AM भी हमें known नहीं है, BC हमें find out करनी है and PM is 12, AC is 10 and AP is 15. Means from this relation we have to find BC. BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Now we have to find AB. The triangle ABC and applying Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is 10 and BC is 8. Then AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Third part of this question, figure हमें given है, साथ ही given है AD is equal to BC, angle BAC 30 degree and angle CBD 70 degree, and with the help of these we have to find angle BCD. This angle. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में हमें कंसंट्रेट करना होता है, जो हमें गिवन है क्वेश्चंस में, साथ ही जो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. तो चलिए देखते हैं. हमें गिवन है एंगल BAC इज इक्वल टू 30 डिग्री और एंगल BAC सबटेंड हुआ है बाय द आर्क BC. इस आर्क BC को सरकमफेरेंस पर मीट करवाया है, तो एंगल BAC सबटेंड हुआ है और इसी आर्क को पॉइंट D पर मीट करवाया है, तो एंगल सबटेंड हुआ है BDC. इट मीन्स दिस एंगल विल बी इक्वल टू 30 डिग्री. सिमिलरली, इफ एंगल CBD इज 70 डिग्री, देन this angle is subtended by arc DC and angle subtended by arc DC at circumference is DAC. This will be also 70 degree. It means this whole angle is 100 degree. Then angle BCD will be 180 minus 100 because ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and opposite angles of cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary. Then this angle is equal to 80 degree. Given that AD is equal to BC and equal chord subtends equal angle at circumference. If AD is equal to BC, then angle subtended by AD at circumference will be equal to angle subtended by BC at circumference. Look at the figure. Now AD subtended this angle at circumference and BC subtends this angle at circumference, and these will be equal. If this is 30 degree, it means this is also 30 degree. Now consider the triangle ABC. Sum of all the angles will be 180. This is 30, this is 100, then this will be 180 minus sum of these two angles. In third part, we have to find angle ABC. Means this angle. This is equal to 70 plus 30, 100 degree. In fourth part, we have to find angle ADB. ADB means this angle, and this angle will be equal to, look at the arc AB. This angle means BCA, which we have already found in part B. If this is 50 degree, then this will be also equal to 50 degree. Question number 7th, part 1. उज्जाइव हमें ड्रॉ करना है. Firstly, we are calculating cumulative frequency. Now marks on cumulative on ogive will be first 6, 0, next upper limit and cumulative frequency means 7, 20, next 8, 65 and so on. Scale is given. 2 centimeter is equal to rupees 1000. This is 6000 to 7000. Means we can consider 2 centimeter is equal to 1. And next 2 centimeter is equal to 50 employee. On x-axis, suppose it is 6, then after 2 centimeter it will be 7. And on y-axis, 2 centimeter is equal to 50. On y-axis, 2 centimeter is equal to 50. It means 20 small parts is equal to 50 employee. It means one small part will be equal to 2.5 employee, or we can say 2 small parts is equal to, multiply by 2, 5 employee. Now draw the marks. First is 6, 0, that is first point is this. Second 7, 20. We have to calculate 20 employee. 5 employee is equal to 2 small parts, then 1 employee 2 by 5 and 20 employee will be equal to 8 small parts. This will be 7, 20. Next 8, 65. For 65 employee, 1 is equal to 2 upon 5. Then 65 employee will be 2 upon 5 multiply by 65. 26 small parts. This is 20 and after this calculate 6. Next 9, 130. Again 130 employee will be equal to 2 upon 5 into 130 small parts. (52) small parts. This is 20, 40, 50 and 2. Next 10, 225. This is simply middle of 2 and 200 and 250. Next 11, 285. Now 285 is equal to 2 upon 5 multiply by 285 small parts. (114). 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and then 14. Next 12, 315. 13,320. In first part, we have to calculate the median ways. N is equal to 320. Then for median ways, 1/160th term. Look at this. 20 small parts is equal to 5 employee. After 150, 22 small parts will be 5, 155, and then again 2 will be 160. Means at the fourth part, you will get 1/60th term. आप अपनी ग्राफ पेपर पर इसको ड्रॉ करेंगे तो और ज्यादा एक्यूरेटली आपको रिजल्ट मिलेगा. इट इज 9,400 बिकॉज 9.4 पॉइंट ये है, इक्वल टू ₹9,400. सेकेंड पार्ट, द नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज हुज इनकम इज बिलो 8,500. Mark the point. 8,500 means 8.5 on x-axis. This is this point. This point is 4 small parts less than 100. 2 is equal to 5 employees. Then 4 is equal to 10 employees. Means this point will be 90. Means the number of employees whose income is below 8,500 are 90 employees. Next, we have to calculate if the salary of a senior employee is above 11,500 means 11.5. Find the number of senior employees in the company. 11.5 is this point. $11,500 मार्क हो रहा है 300 पे, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड सीनियर एम्प्लॉयज मीन्स नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज whose salary is above 11,500, that is after 300. It means 320 minus 300. In fourth part, the upper quartile, that is 3/4 of 3/20th term. To 40th term. This is 200. And we have to calculate 40. 40 means 5 employees is equal to 20 is equal to 2 small parts. Then 40 will be 16 small parts. Then after 200, calculate 16. This is the point for 240. Approximately 10.2 means 10,200. Second part, it is from height and distance. क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग आप फिगर ड्रॉ करेंगे. This is point A, this is point B. Angle of elevation from A is 30 degree and from B is 60 degree and height of the building is 10 meter. We have to find distance between A and B. Suppose it is X, then we have to find the value of X. Suppose it is Y. And CD is building. First of all, आप थोड़ा सा explanation दे देंगे फिगर का. In figure, CD is building. Then, first of all, we are considering the triangle BCD. tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, so tan 60 will be equal to CD upon BC. Tan 60 is under root 3, CD is 10 and BC is y. So y is equal to 10 upon under root 3. Now we are considering right angle triangle ACD. Tan 30 will be equal to BCD upon AC. CD is 10 and AC is x plus y. Put the value of y. Tan 30 is 1 upon under root 3 and y is 10 upon under root 3. Cross multiply. X is equal to 20 upon root 3. That is equal to 11.547 meter and in round off 11.55 meters. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 पार्ट 1 ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल आइडेंटिटी हमें प्रूफ करनी है. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड कंसीडर कर रहे हैं. tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta and cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. One upon cos theta is equal to sec theta and this is cosec theta and this is the right hand side. Second part, this is given by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Put the values. Minus 8 upon 7. Equation of a line perpendicular to BC and passing through A. Slope of a line perpendicular to BC will be equal to, if this is M1, then minus 1 upon M1. It means 7 upon 8. Now equation of line with slope 7 upon 8 and passing through A will be given by y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. x1 y1 is the point, coordinates of point A. Seven x minus 8y plus 43 is equal to 0. Third part, histogram हमें given है. Frame of frequency distribution table. Now corresponding frequencies 0 to 10, 2 frequency, next 5 and then 8, 4 and 6. This is frequency distribution table. Answer for part A. To calculate the mean, we have to calculate mean. First of all, we are finding midpoint x. That is 5, 0 to 10 ka 5, 10 to 20, 15, 25, 35 and 45. Fx. Now summation f and summation fx. Summation f is 25 and summation fx is 695. Then mean is equal to summation fx divided by summation f. 27.8. To determine the model class is the class having highest frequency, and in this table 8 is the highest frequency. So 20 to 30 is the model class. Question number 9th, part 1. Using the properties of proportion, solve following for x. Using dividendo componendo, numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. Same will be applicable on right hand side. This is x plus 1 whole cube and this is x minus 1 whole cube. Taking cube root on both sides, x plus 1, x minus 1 is equal to 6 upon 5. Again we are applying componendo dividendo. Numerator plus denominator, numerator minus denominator. X is equal to 11. Second part. What is the probability that the ticket drawn has a number which is a multiple of both 2 and 3? Multiple of both 2 and 3 means a number divisible by 6. जो भी number 6 से divisible होगा वो 2 से भी divisible होगा और 3 से भी divisible होगा. Then among these numbers, multiple of both 2 and 3 are 6, 12, 18 and 24. These are favorable cases. Then probability of getting these numbers will be number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. Number of favorable cases are 4 and total number of cases are 25. Means the probability of this case is 4 upon 25. Third part. Two trains leave a station at the same time. The first train travels due west. And the second train due north. The first train travels 5 km per hour faster than the second train. If the speed of second train is x km per hour, then the speed of first train is x plus 5 km per hour. If after 2 hours, time is 2 hours, they are 50 km apart. Suppose after 2 hours, first train is at this point and second train is at this point. Then distance between these two trains AB is 50 km. Find the average speed of each train. Now distance AC is the distance covered by first train in 2 hours with x plus 5 km per hour speed. Then AC is equal to speed into time, distance is equal to speed into time, and speed is x plus 5 and time is 2. Similarly, BC is the distance covered by second train in 2 hours with x km per hour speed. Then BC is equal to 2x. Now we are applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. AB is 50. AC is x plus 5 into 2 and BC is 2x. Again dividing by 2, x square plus 5x minus 300 is equal to 0. Now we have to find two numbers whose product is 300 and difference is 5. 50 and 20. Required factors are x plus 20, x minus 15. If x plus 20 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 20. And speed cannot be negative, so this is not possible. If x minus 15 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 15. Means speed of second train is 15 km per hour and that of first (20 km per hour), 5 more than second. Question number 10th, part 1. The sum of first three terms of an AP is 42. Sum of first three terms of an AP, it means A plus D plus A plus 2D is 42. Dividing by 3, A plus D is equal to 14. This is equation 1. Product of first and third term is 52. A multiplied by A plus 2D is 52. Now D is equal to 14 minus 8. Substitute this value in second equation. A square minus 28A plus 52 is equal to 0. Now solve this quadratic equation. You will get the value of A. Factors of 52 whose sum is 28. 26 and 2. If this is 0, then A is equal to 26. And if this is 0, then A is equal to 2. If A is equal to 26, then D is equal to 14 minus 26 minus 12. And if A is equal to 2, then D is equal to 12. These are the required answers. Second part, construct a circle inscribing an equilateral triangle with side 5.6. First of all, construct an equilateral triangle whose side is 5.6. For this, draw a line 5.6 centimeter. Then with the help of compass, draw 60-degree angle at both the ends. This is an equilateral triangle with side 5.6. Now we are constructing its in circle. In center is the point of intersection of angle bisectors. So bisect any two angles of a triangle. Draw these bisectors. Point of intersection of these bisectors will give you in center. Now drop a perpendicular on any of the side of this triangle from I. Now draw a circle with radius from I to this point. and write the steps of construction. Third part, last question of this sample paper. Given है x upon a is equal to y upon b is equal to z upon c, and with the help of this we have to show this result. Suppose it is equal to k. If x upon a is equal to k, then x is equal to ak. From second result we will get y is equal to bk, and from third z is equal to ck. Now we are considering left hand side. Now we can write k cube, k into k into k, and according to the right hand side we are substituting the values. First k from this result x upon a, second k from this result y upon b, and third k from this result z upon c. And this is the right hand side of given question. Now this is the complete solution of fourth sample paper. All the very best for your examination. Goodbye.